G'day, I'm John Ford. I'm the editor of Caravan World, and last year we did a series of stories on improving this 200 Series LandCruiser. It was a stock standard 200 and it had virtually no accessories on it. But we wanted to turn it into something that was a safe and reliable tow vehicle. The first accessory I think caravanners should install is a UHF radio. We've got this Uniden model, which has got a magnetic holder. It's really easy to put away and access. It's right there near my knee, but it doesn't rub. It's got plenty of room. All the controls are in the handheld unit, and it's got the mid-range aerial up on the bull bar. Easy to use, easy to access. As I say, it's important. You know, if you're going to overtake a truck, or you've got a truck coming up behind you, or another caravan coming up behind you, you should be able to talk to them and tell them what your plans are. Once the truck starts to overtake you, that's time to back off. Once he's beside you, back off a bit, let him get in front. That's the safest, easiest way to deal with trucks on the road, and they'll appreciate it. This Uniden kit came with an extra handheld 5-watt radio. Now, I find that really useful for travelling in Convoy. So if you've got 40 on the main, and you can then switch to a different channel, talk to other people on this radio. But we also find it useful when we're backing the caravan into a tight spot. Heather gets out with this, talks to me on the radio, tells me that I'm going to run into something or not run into something, whatever the case might be, on this radio. It's also useful for carrying around with you if you want to keep in contact with the home base. It's easy, it's light, it's got a good range, and it's got a rechargeable lithium battery that comes with the kit. You know, I reckon it goes for about 30 or 40 hours without recharging it. So it's pretty useful thing to have, and I set it up in there. The other part of the Uniden kit is this camera. It's probably an accident camera, but we use it mainly for video when we're out in the bush, just to mix up the video that we're doing, just to show where we've been, and sometimes you get some pretty interesting stuff. All up, I think, Uniden products are good. They've been reliable. We've had them there for 18 months, haven't missed a beat. Easy to use, clear voice, good range, everything that you want as far as I'm concerned in a radio. I'm really happy with them.